Replevin actions against spouses and other exes in Illinois. When a marriage or dating relationship ends, people sometimes seize items they think are theirs or take them out of spite. Illinois does not follow a finders keepers rule. If a former partner holds your property, you may recover it through the courts. Consulting a divorce lawyer early can help you protect what matters. For married couples, state law distinguishes marital property from non-marital property. Until a divorce decree is entered, neither spouse has an exclusive right to disputed items. Courts can issue temporary orders awarding possession of specific items and restraining a party from transferring, hiding, or disposing of property during the case. Pets are treated as marital assets, and their ownership is allocated based on the animal's well-being. Unmarried couples must use a Replevin action to reclaim belongings. Replevin is a lawsuit to repossess personal property wrongfully taken or detained and return it to the rightful owner. Under Illinois law, the plaintiff files the action in the county where the items are located and submits a verified complaint describing the property and asserting a right to possession. The defendant receives notice of a hearing, and a pre-suit demand is usually required unless it would be futile. At the hearing, the court enters an order for Replevin if the plaintiff shows a superior right to possession and a probability of success. The plaintiff must prove they are lawfully entitled to the property and that the defendant wrongfully detains it. The order directs the sheriff to take the property from the defendant and deliver it to the plaintiff. If the defendant hides the item, the court may allow the sheriff to use reasonable force to recover it. The defendant can argue that the item was a gift but must prove that by clear and convincing evidence. Engagement rings illustrate Replevin's rules. They're conditional gifts, and the ring goes to the person who did not break off the engagement. If the item has been sold or destroyed, the court may award its value. Replevin cannot be used to recover property seized under a judgment or attachment, and the procedure does not apply when property was transferred for fraudulent purposes. Replevin covers only personal property. When unmarried couples own real estate together, they must file a partition action. If only one partner is listed on the deed, the other generally has no claim unless there is a written agreement. The statute of frauds requires that contracts for interests in land be in writing. A knowledgeable attorney can advise you whether partition or Replevin is appropriate for your situation. Relationships end, but you do not have to lose your possessions. Illinois law provides tools to recover items from a former spouse or partner and to prevent unfair transfers. Whether you seek relief in a divorce court or file Replevin, talk to a lawyer to understand the requirements. The law office of Russell D. Knight has produced many articles on Illinois family law, and this law firm can help you navigate property disputes. To discuss your situation, contact the law firm at 1165 North Clark Street, number 700, Chicago, Illinois, 60610, United States, or call 773-334-6311. An experienced attorney will help you assert your rights and ensure that when someone walks away, they do not take all your stuff.